In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to blur your background for TikTok videos. So let's get started right away. So first of all, what you want to do is, because there isn't an actual effect to blur your background on TikTok, so what you want to do is download this app right here, Blur Photo Effect Background. And what you want to do from then on is you want to take a picture of your background with your normal camera, and in this app you want to blur it. So you can just open up the app, you can choose the blur effect, choose the picture, then click on done, and you can brush or you can blur the background with the brush. Once you've done all that, you can just click on next and then click on save at the top right corner right here, and that will save it to your camera roll. From that point on, you want to go back to TikTok and record a video with the green screen effect. So if we scroll a bit down, we're just going to search for the green screen effect, this one right there. So just click on that, and I'm just not going to show my face because I don't want to, but basically what you want to do is click on effect and choose the blurred background, and you can also move it around a bit, I think. Oh no, you can't, but basically now you can record the video with you in the background, and make sure you have good lighting in your room, or else this effect will like kind of glitch and doesn't work that well. So once you've done that, you can just post the video, and that's basically it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.